The Cybertruck is finally here in Europe. It's one of the first trucks to ever set foot on Europe's soil and definitely the very first in UK. So since I live in London, then this will mean it's the very first time I'm setting my eyes on this truck in real life. One thing that immediately jumps at you when you see this live is it's impressively massive. Apart from the fact that it doesn't look like a regular car fit for the streets, the size is outrightly intimidating. Now, if you're familiar with UK roads, you'd wonder how this bad boy will be able to fit into those roads and the parking spaces and all. With its height, width and length, that is much bigger than a Range Rover. To put this into more perspective, the Model Y is fairly a medium to a large car in my opinion, but the Cybertruck completely towers over it and makes it look like a Mini or a Ford Fiesta sitting right next to it. So this led me to ask one of the Tesla attendants if the truck is going to start selling in UK, and if so, when. I was quite taken aback from the response I got, which was, it's not going to be sold in UK. Okay, so what's the whole purpose of it being shipped to London from US to be on display, for people to drool all over it, and then being taken to other cities as well, for people to drool all over it all over again? And his reply was, it's just to raise awareness. So my guess is that it's either the guy didn't really have any answer to when exactly it will be sold in UK, or that's the most pointless exercise Tesla has ever embarked upon. Shipping a Cybertruck to UK for nothing else but just for awareness. So anyways, apart from my first impression, which was its size, the Cybertruck is definitely a crowd puller, and it will definitely turn heads being driven down the street and get people to bring out their cameras and take pictures. So if that's your cup of tea and you don't mind the huge attention, then why not? You can see how people are reaching out to feel it like it's some spaceship that just landed from space. Okay, so even I myself couldn't resist the temptation to reach out and find out how the bulletproof metal felt like. And there was this animated but friendly guy that got very hyper all through his stay with the vehicle. You can see him here.
Boss, I've got the best view.
You got the best view?
I've got the best view. So who drove you in here?
It was put on a truck.
Yeah?
It was put on a truck.
It wasn't you, didn't touch it, didn't drive. It's big, isn't it?
Massive.
I don't think it fit on the UK roads. Do you think it fit on the road? Looks massive.
Yeah,
So this
just
one's
massive.
Massive.
Very intimidating, like
Yeah?
a military tank. He must have taken 1,000 pictures.
You've taken too many pictures. Time to go. I'm going now. I'm going. My charging is coming up anyway.
I mean, even our own Bobby took some time out to stop over and take some pictures. I like to see what happens when police decides to pull a Cybertruck over for a speeding ticket or something. I can imagine the conversation going from, you were doing a 65 in a 50 to, I read somewhere this is bulletproof. Is that true? Can I sit inside? You get the picture. To be honest, I do not have anything bad to say about the Cybertruck or this first experience with it live. I'll bring you more videos as soon as I get some clarification as to whether it will actually be sold in UK, and if so, what dates are we looking at. So there it is, guys. Hope you liked the video. If you do, please subscribe and stick around for more updates coming pretty soon. Thanks for watching.